Framing your wall is just the start. The real key is the final check before you slap on the sheathing or insulation, so you don't end up fixing stuff later. Alright, so here's the deal. After your wall is all framed up, you gotta make sure it's plumb and square, like literally use your level to check every corner and stud. Then, put in the bracing. It keeps everything solid and stops your wall from wobbling around when the wind hits. Don't forget backing where needed, especially where you plan to hang heavy things or install fixtures, so the drywall or paneling has something sturdy to grab onto. Nail plates are a must if your framing touches any slab or concrete to protect wires and pipes from getting poked. Double check your layout. Make sure your framing matches your plans perfectly before moving forward. Inspect every stud and plate for any cracks, splits, or warped wood that might cause trouble down the line. If anything looks off, fix it now because once the sheathing goes on, it's a pain to go back. Taking these small steps saves you big headaches and extra cash later when your walls are sealed tight. One of the biggest issues people run into at this stage is not checking if the wall is plumb and square, which messes up everything that comes next, so grab your level and tape measure to fix that. Another common mistake is skipping, bracing, or backing, and that leads to weak spots or drywall that won't hold screws properly. Just add those supports where needed and you'll be golden. Last but not least, forgetting nail plates when framing touches slab or concrete means nails could damage wires or pipes later. Install those metal plates over any risky spots to keep everything safe. BigHomeProjects.com is a game changer because it helps homeowners find trustworthy local contractors who know exactly what they're doing with framing and other home projects. Plus, contractors get a steady stream of work from people who actually need their skills, making it a win-win for everyone involved.